Hello students, today let us study chapter 3 typing with Notepad. You have learned about keyboard and the uses of the different keys. Now let us see how to use the keyboard to type in the Notepad. What is a notepad? A notepad is a text editor which allows us to create, view and edit plain text files. See, this is your notepad. It is a text editor, that is you can edit, you can write, that is create or edit or any plain text files in your notepad. Microsoft Notepad is included with all versions of Windows. So in all your Microsoft Windows operating system, this notepad is there. What are the features? Let us see. We can apply basic text formatting like font style and size. So just stylings like you want Times New Roman style or any font styles, Calibria. So like this text format stylings and size, you can change it 16, 18, 24 like this. We cannot change color of the text. In this notepad you cannot change the color, but now you can change, and the high version which you are using, present version. Notepad cannot contain images or other media files. So in this notepad you can just write the text. You cannot have images or other files like audio, video, you cannot place on it. Next, how to start a notepad. To start a notepad, first click the start button in the button left corner of the screen, that is here, this button, start button. Click on it. In the start menu, click programs or all programs, then click the accessories folders. Then later click the notepad icon. See here, you have to go to the start button, go to all programs. In this, select accessories. In that, go to notepad. This is how you start a notepad. Then saving a text file using notepad. So how will you save this text which you have written in your notepad? Let us see how to save. Type the text you want in your file. Whatever you want the content, just type in the file. Click the file menu and then select the save option from the drop down or press Ctrl+S. Save as window will appear. Type the file name and click on save. See here, in this menu bar you'll have file, edit, format. In that, go to file, then click on save. This window will appear, the save as window. This is a save as window will appear. Here you can save it in any folder whichever you want, and then give the file name and later give it a save. And main point is the file in the notepad is saved with a .txt extension. So see here, the file name they've given it as first.txt. .txt is important. You have to mention the extension and then save it. This is how you save the file in your notepad. Next, how to open the file which you have already created. Let us see. Opening a file in a notepad. You can just press Ctrl+O in the keyboard. Ctrl+O, or else just go to file menu, open option, select the file from the folder. See here, file edit, this is your menu bar. In that, select the file. Here you have the open, just click on it. You will have the files which all you had saved, and you can click on the file which you want. This is how you open a file in the notepad. How to create a new file in notepad. How will you create new files? First you can just press Ctrl plus N in the keyboard, or go to file menu, new option. A blank notepad screen will appear. In this, just go to file, here click on new. A new empty file will open, empty screen. There you can start typing your content. How will you print a file in the notepad? You can just press Ctrl plus P in the keyboard, or go to file menu, print option. See here, file menu, here you have the print option. Just click on it. You can print the file. Formatting the text. How to format a text? Let us see. Select the text which you want to format. Click the format menu and select font option from the drop down. Font window will appear. Select the type, style and size of the font. Click OK. The formatting will be applied to the selected text. For example, you have selected some text. Then later after that, go to the format menu. There go to font. Click on it. This window will appear. Font window will appear. Here select the font which you want. That is, here they have selected Lukida handwriting. Select it. And the font style, italic, bold. And what is the size? And just give it on OK. The text will be formatted. So how will you insert date and time in your notepad? Inserting date and time. Press function key F5 in the keyboard. When you press when you have opened F5, notepad software, when you press F5, automatically date and time will be inserted. Or go to edit menu, click time or date. See here, go to this edit menu, in that select time or date. Like this, the time and date will be displayed on your notepad screen. Next, finding a word. You have a large contents in the file. In that you want to search some word. How do you search that word? Let us see. Finding a word. Press Ctrl plus F in the keyboard, or go to edit menu, find. In this edit, go to find menu. Here edit, go to find. Go to find. Then step 2, find windows will be displayed. Find windows. This is the find windows. It will be displayed. Enter the word to be searched in the find what box. Click on find next. The word will be highlighted. See here. This is the find window. Here in this find word, in this box, select the word, type the word which you want to search. They're searching for the notepad word. Then give find next. When you click on it, it will be highlighted like this in your notepad screen. Welcome to notepad. This notepad is here, the word. So it will be highlighted like this. This is how you search the word in the notepad. How to replace a word. For example, you have written class 3. How do you change it to class 4, like that? To find a word and replace it, you have to find it where you have written the class 4, and then you need to change it. How do you do? Let us see. Step 1, press Ctrl plus H in the keyboard, or go to edit menu, replace. In this, go to replace option, click on it. Replace window will be displayed. This is your replace window. It will be displayed. Enter the word to be searched in find what box, and the new word to be replaced in the replace with box. The word will be highlighted click on replace to change it to the new word. See here, this is the replace window. Here type the word which you have to change, that is you want to search that word notepad, it is in small letters. Okay, then next replace within this text box, write the word which you want to replace it from small letter notepad to capital letter notepad, they're changing it. Then give it as replace. Then here in this text which you had written in your notepad file, it will highlight it and it will replace it. This is how you open, create, format a text, insert date and time, and find the word, and replacing the word, and starting of notepad. This is how you do in your notepad. Notepad is only for texts. Okay, thank you students.